Come on, pedal. Pedal, baby.
Move, guys. Actually, just carry it.
Too much to take it to the sidewalk, Marky.
He's gonna write it.
Veronica?
Way out by the sidewalk.
Tell Daddy he's too big for it.
Yeah, you're too big. You might break it.
Huh? Ready? You chose to do it.
Oh no, Mom. Get set.
Okay, go, baby. Pedal.
Go.
There you go. See?
Go, Amble.
Toes turn around.
I can't even ride a bike.
Well, that's got training wheels. She's trying.
Ronnie, or Brianna, they moved out of the way. I was trying to record it, and all I'm getting is your back of the head.
I'm recording.
Brianna.
That's my daughter, Stacey. Come on, baby. Come on.
Oh, is she running it around the whole block?
No, they're gonna turn around eventually. Move out the way from Mom.
I want to go over here still.
No, we're not going to go across the street.
No.
Still want to ride down this way? Come on.
Just stick on her light.
I know.
That's a 79.
No, I got to take it off.
I could take it off when she stops. If she doesn't stop it. If she doesn't, she loves the bike. You love it?
Keep going, Amber.
You're gonna go to the finish line. Ah,
Oh, there's grass in the way.
grass. Carry it over.
Come on, just stay on it, baby.
Oh,
Let's just turn around.
I just
Nope, Amber gets what she wants.
Amble is the princess.
That's okay, you can ride over that one, baby.
There's some yes in but the rest of
Can you hold this for me? Can you hold this for me? Elevator tip.
shirts
Ready,
with
love? Ready?
freaking gold.
Cold? Turn around, Mama.
Carry this across the
You like the bell?
And we're going to ride it on this side, baby. We're not going to go over there. Come on.
That side is dangerous.
No, it's not dangerous. Daddy's just not going to carry it over there. We're going to ride on this side, baby. We're going to ride it all the way back to Grandma's house, okay?
Ah.
Go, Amber.
I'm gonna beat you.
There you go, baby. Hey, just ride right over it, huh? There you go.
Like you don't care about nothing, you just want to ride your bike. I'm gonna beat you. Hurry, Amber.
Oh, don't rush her.
I'm gonna beat
Cruising
you.
right now.
No, I'm just walking and she's beating me.
Right.
Nothing slower than me. And I'm so tired with it. This is going way fast. I can't even do it. I'm tired.
Go, Amber.
I'm going to land.
Careful.
Can't finesse her either. You can't like make it straight and like
She's going fast.
you getting those all. You got the only going.
No. I have a question.
There you go.
Yeah, boy.
How you like that,
Ring your
Amber?
bell.
You like that? You like the bike princess.
Say hi.
I would tell myself on the ground.